Hi, my name is Joseph Iuso. I'm the Chief Anti-Money Laundering Officer at Bitbuy out of Toronto, and I handle the compliance program. Bitbuy's mission is a crypto destination for investors, and what we are is about having a marketplace for investors to trade the coins and tokens, as well as to buy and sell crypto tokens as well. Um, we are one of the first regulated marketplaces in Canada, and we're working towards our securities license, as well as we're also a money service business today. Before we had Chainalysis at BitBuy, we were actually just monitoring things through the various open forums, open sources. There wasn't really much out there. And through an acquisition at BitBuy, one of the tools they were using, or main tool, was Chainalysis. So it was pretty much a done decision. We just decided to continue that relationship and expand it and leverage it. So we leveraged it for the transaction monitoring, for the tracing, the KYT, the ability to look through the different predicated offenses and find the offenders and block them and inform the community, all kinds of stuff. It was a no-brainer. So how we're getting value from the KYT solution can be summed up in, I think, a very interesting case. We had a lot of CSAM alerts coming from Chainalysis. And we took those alerts and we expanded it through Reactor and started doing all kinds of investigation with the source databases that you have. And we put together a bunch of cases for our regulator, FinTrack. The deputy director at FinTrack actually sent us a letter thanking us for our open source intelligence and our actionable intelligence, that they were able to use that intelligence with law enforcement and basically build cases and prosecute. Some of the specific differentiators between the tools that we were evaluating, the main one was the open source intelligence that we could gain from it. The next one was ease of use and the ability for the teams to actually use the tool. And the third one was really the risks ratings. The risk ratings that we found between the various tools weren't really explainable. But when we looked at Chainalysis's risk rating, they were very clear. We were able to demonstrate that we can keep our risk levels less than 0.1%. And that's only because of the way we've configured the tool, used it as a risk-based approach, and obviously because of Chainalysis open source intelligence that helps us to combat money laundering and terrorist financing.